Hey, welcome back. Uh, huh. I was working on some n8n flows, which includes using a scraper or a, or what we call a puppeteer bot, whichever you want to call. So, for example, I want to build an n8n flow which uses a scraper. Basically, for example, examples of scraping bots are like lead generation bot actually uh, goes on to the respective platform and scrapes the data for you and use that data uh, further in the flow. You can give it to the LLM and make some decisions on that and use some tools, trigger some events, everything and anything you want to do with that data. So I have googled some of the best scrapers and I found out that Apify is the good platform for you to start with the scraping part. So for example, I want to build a LinkedIn scraper. So I went on to Apify, Apify, and found that you get a shitty scraper for $30. So per month subscription and it is actually pretty hefty some amount of money. So I got an idea and I didn't why can't I build my own scraper? That's where the catch is. You can't build your own scraper on your own without using proxy automation, and you have to manage all the stuff like you have to manually work on your anti-bot detection system. LinkedIn has a good firewall or whatever you call for detecting the bot behavior of instead of human behavior. So they have their own protocols in that. So to break that protocols, you guys have to be making sure you are a human traffic and you are not a bot. To prove that, you need to change your IPs and use some proxy methods, and you have to change your user agent every time, and you have to refresh your cookies every time. So refreshing cookies fine, and scraping, and you have to actually understand the DOM of every scraper, every element. You have to write as basically you have to tell the bot that look here, this is the name, this is the summary, this is the followers, this is everything. You have to tell that to a bot so that bot has a memory and bot thinks this is a good information, let's scrape that. So we can write that scraper. Actually I did one. Let me show you. This is my scraper, but the challenging part is the anti-bot detection system. You can't just use a Puppeteer and open a new tab and expect to get some results. Not. LinkedIn will insta ban you if you try that. So you here in Apify, they provide an actor. You can build your custom actor actually. If you can see, develop new, develop new and signing. Uh, they this is Can you see this? This is the OP part here. Like this Apify SDK has own anti-bot detection system. Like it has its own way of dealing with browsers. We can use Apify with Playwright. It actually uh, what do we call it? Actually, it uses different browsers based on the requirement, so you can't get detected. It changes every data. Simply speaking, install this SDK and use this script, whatever they are, uh, and you're good to go. You can scrape without thinking like oh, I have to take care of my user agent, who uh, what about my IPs, proxies? This will handle it. Huh. For local running, you are working on with your single proxies, but if you host it in Apify, if you host it in Apify, Apify provides their own proxies. See, Apify handles the proxy part very well. It changes every 2 seconds, so you can't you can't be getting detected soon. So, huh. So I made my own scraper on that for just testing purposes and educational purposes, whatever call. Let's see we'll get the data or not. So I've used my bot account and I don't recommend using your own actual account. You will get banned. So let's say I want to find people who are good at mm, good at .NET. Okay, .NET. Let's say that, and hit my node main.js. Sometimes it happens. It is hitting the LinkedIn. Let's wait some more time. Sometimes you have to refresh the cookies part too. Let's say I'll update my cookies. Actually, cookies were older. Let's say you have to update the cookies. Yeah, you have to manually update the cookies every time. Not every time. Every 2-3 hours or bit something like that, so that LinkedIn doesn't stop you from scraping. So we got the data here: .NET developer Surat, .NET developer Indore, .NET developer here, Neha Parma, their profile links and everything we got here. So further you can do is you can click on you can go personally visit every profile URL and scrape those data and make a Excel or sheet, whatever you want, and you can run this on your own flow. So yeah, thank you for watching this, and I hope you learned something, and I got to show you what I'm good at here. So we'll meet again maybe.